I'm going to show you how to make turkey soup out of leftover turkeys after the holidays are done. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes, so let's go ahead and carefully remove this. That should have really helped kind of extract some of that flavor out of the peppercorns and out of the salt that we just added. Give everything a nice stir, scrape down your sides, make sure there's no onion or anything stuck to the sides. We're not looking to really brown anything off at this point, we're just really trying to get some color in there. So now we're going to add some water. This is about 2 quarts of water. And obviously, I'm going to turn the heat up to a high at this point. And we're going to add just a little more water. That wasn't quite enough. Really what you want to do is you want to go with about 3 quarts of water total. Well, 2 to 3, depending on your turkey carcass in your pot. The idea here is to get enough water to submerge the turkey carcasses. Carcass, it's actually one carcass, but it's 2 different pieces. So, and you want to be very careful about doing this. You don't make a giant mess. So I'm just going to take a pair of tongs and carefully put my turkey carcasses in here. And keep in mind, this turkey is going to come out. So I mean, we're not going to eat it with the turkey in there like this. Some people will get kind of freaked out by the notion of doing that. And I'm also going to throw the neck in there too, because it'll be great flavor and it'll actually work out really, really well. As a little piece of trivia, there's the wishbone there in the front. I could pull it out and you and I could each grab a side and make a wish and pull and see what happens. But I'm not going to. So here we go. We're waiting for this to hit a full boil with the lid off, because if the lid's on it won't really boil that well. When it hits a full boil, then we're going to put the lid back on and turn it down to a simmer. So I'll come back to you when it is boiling on high.